Want smarter and safer home access? Unlock your door with fingerprint, password, card, or key. What's in the box and technical specifications? There you go. This is the user manual. Let's see what we have here. We have all the tools we need. For key cards, batteries included, physical keys. Here is one side, USB-C area, and here is the other side. Fingerprint, key card right there, and passwords. Let's use a screwdriver to open the battery section right there. There you go. Let's put AAA batteries, 4 of them. Let's close it. We're good to go. Go ahead and put the screw. Remove the old one. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right there and screw it. That's good. Next thing is we're gonna put 2 screws over there. Go ahead and screw it. I just put this right here. Let's pass the cable through inside. That's good. And we will put it right over here. And I will go ahead and put 2 screws over there and screw it. Now it is secured. We're good to go. Let's do the connection. There you go. That's wonderful. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it right there. And put the screw over there and screw it. We are done with the installation. Fingerprint scan in just 0.5 seconds. Auto lock keeps your door secure every time it closes. Easy to install, no wiring or drilling needed. Secure, simple, and built for modern living. As you can see, we completed the installation in 5 minutes. Let's add fingerprint 1 and dash. Now you can go ahead and enter it. That's it. Let's try it. It's gonna auto lock, and you can go ahead and open it. That's the first method. We can add normal user. 2 dash. Now I'm just gonna put the password or fingerprint or key card. Let's remove the cover. Let me put my password. Wake up. 1 dash. Now we're good to go. Go ahead and enter the password. Now we're good to go. Let's try to unlock it with the password. It works wonderfully. Let's go to ID card and physical keys. Then press dash. Now we can go ahead and add it right there. Let's try to unlock it. It works perfect. Let's use physical keys. Right now I cannot go inside. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the key right there and turn it to the right. Now I can log it. I'm gonna suggest this product because you have 4 methods to unlock. One is the key card, and the other one is physical keys, and you can use your fingerprints, and the last one is the password. When you put the password, you can open it. Let's open the door. And here is the area, USB-C, that's emergency unlocking if the battery is dead. You made a mistake, you can just go ahead and insert it, then wait for 5 seconds, it's gonna reset. Then you can start the whole process. What I like the most, this is universal. You can open it from left to right or right to left. Both sides you can use it. And it has free passage mode. Press and hold. Now it's gonna open. It's not gonna be locked. You're just gonna use it like regular doors. It's not gonna auto lock. That's free passage mode. That's perfect. And you have 4 ways to unlock: emergency plans, reset buttons, free passage mode. Definitely suggest it. And the quality is awesome.